Let's look at the arteries and veins of the trunk. Zooming in, we see the ascending aorta, the arch of the aorta. Removing the heart, we see the descending thoracic aorta. We can also visualize the abdominal aorta. Branches of the abdominal aorta include the celiac trunk, superior mesenteric, and inferior mesenteric arteries. The abdominal aorta branches or bifurcates, forming the right common iliac artery and left common iliac artery. The common iliac arteries branch into the external and internal iliac arteries. This is the left iliac or left external iliac artery. This is the left internal iliac artery. The veins follow those arteries. Again, abdominal aorta, left common iliac artery, left common iliac vein, external iliac artery, left external iliac artery, left internal iliac artery, left external iliac vein, left internal iliac vein. The external iliac artery will become the femoral artery as it passes through the inguinal ligament. We, from this perspective, can also visualize the left and right renal artery, left and right renal vein, left and right gonadal artery. Using a slightly different model, we see the celiac trunk. We see the left and right gastric artery, left and right gastric artery, splenic artery, and common hepatic artery. Using again a slightly different model, we see the celiac trunk, splenic artery, and common hepatic artery. Using again a different model, we see the celiac trunk, left gastric artery, splenic artery, common hepatic artery. Celiac trunk, left gastric artery, splenic artery, common hepatic artery. Here's our heart model. We see the ascending aorta, arch of the aorta, descending thoracic aorta. We see the brachiocephalic trunk, right subclavian, right common carotid, left common carotid, and left subclavian. We also appreciate the pulmonary trunk, left and right pulmonary arteries, right pulmonary veins, left pulmonary veins. We see the pulmonary trunk, superior vena cava, ascending aorta, arch of the aorta, left brachiocephalic vein, right brachiocephalic vein. Removing the sternocleidomastoid, we see the left and right internal jugular veins, left and right subclavian veins. We see the left common carotid artery. Again, the left common carotid artery. This is the left subclavian artery. This model shows us the left common carotid, left external carotid, left internal carotid. This model also shows us the facial artery, the superficial temporal artery, the occipital artery. This model also allows us to see the middle cerebral artery, vertebral arteries. This is the vertebral artery. The vertebral arteries enter the cranial vault via the foramen magnum and combine to form the basilar artery. The basilar artery begins the formation of what is called the circle of Willis.